you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Inga here, and you have entered into the Queen's Nation. And once again, if you are new here, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We would love to have you a part of this nation. And don't forget, guys, go and follow me on Instagram. I have two handles on Instagram that you can be a part of, and you can see what's coming up next and new and whatever. But first of all, I have to just drop my scripture in for today for all you gloss bosses and for all you queens out there. I can do, or we can do all things through Christ that strengthens us. So let's get into this video. Yeah, so today I have for you this studio light box. It's absolutely perfect for picture taking for your lip gloss business and whatever business that you have going on. Right here I have a mini one that I got from Amazon. I think I mentioned this to you guys before. This is perfect for the business that I am doing, that I have, because most of my products are very small, or I have a lot of flat products. So this hair is perfect for me. You can go to Amazon and get these in a few sizes, and I will have everything listed below in the description box for you guys. So right now I'm just going to do a little photo shoot with my lip liquid pigments. I do have these on sale now for $14.99. Let me just put that plug in there for you guys if you guys want to go there and pick some up for yourself. So this studio box comes with a few different backgrounds. We have the blue, the red, the orange, the green, and the yellow. Also the black, but the one I prefer is the white. And as you can see, it's already in the box. Have not used any of the other colors as yet, so that will be forthcoming. As you can see, it comes with a USB cord and a switch along with that on the card for the different lighting areas, and I'll explain that a little later down into the video. But one thing I do know is that this box charges super fast. So right here in the ceiling of the box, inside the box, are these 64 LED lamp beads. And there you just have a view of the top of the box. So right now I have my iPhone, and as you can see, it's taking like the perfect picture. You can adjust the settings on your phone or the settings with the studio box as you like. But like I said, guys, this here is a perfect addition for your business. And I think picture taking is so important. Like, your photos are so important for your business. So this is a good investment. So hold up, guys. I forgot the giveaway. And we have a winner for the giveaway. Her name will be listed at the end of the video. And congratulations to you, girl. She won this month's giveaway, which was January. I should have posted it earlier this week, like on Monday, but I didn't get a chance to do it. So like I said, I did drop something else inside of the bag for her, and this will be shipped off to her. So you guys join the next giveaway. Don't miss out on any of these, okay? And I will be announcing in my next video what will be the giveaway for the month of February, okay? So this studio light box does have different shooting angles. So right now I have these flavor oils, the bubble gum and the strawberry cotton candy, and I have them laying flat, so I would do a top shooting angle with items like this, and you would see that it came out perfect. I don't think I mentioned that this product here is very affordable. Like, you have different prices in them, but this one here is very affordable. So last but not least, the lighting. So you have the white light, and then you have a warm light, and then you have a soft white light. So it's at your preference which lighting you would like to use. But I came to find out that whatever area you're using the photo box, that's what you would decide which lighting you would want to use. That's just my preference. So that's it for that. And right now I have these gorgeous accent pillows here that I have at my Etsy shop. The link is below and it will be listed in the description box. These are perfect for your beauty rooms, perfect for your living rooms, perfect for your styling room, perfect for your bedrooms, and whatever. And I also have these t-shirts that I've been telling you guys about for a bit. Those are also at my Etsy shop and you can purchase them. I'm listing as the days go by different t-shirts and other accessories that I'm adding to the shop. I just want to expand in my business right now, so you guys can go and check those out. And also, if you want to see a video on how I use the Facetune apps after I've taken the photos, then you can let me know in the comments below, because when I use this box sometimes I go to Facetunes, and I edit the photos there. So just let me know, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to tune into my next video for the next giveaway. Okay, bye.